Hi there traders, welcome to the video from Elite Currency. We will continue with taking a look at some stocks, some wheat stocks, and checking out if a bullish bounce is indeed taking place and whether that bounce can continue or will there be a bigger retracement slash bearish reversal. So we have the chart here of Canopy, a 4-hour chart at this moment, and indeed price did break through this support trend line and made a bearish correction. This could be an A, basically B, C correction right here, and price might have found its bouncing spot. We already indicated that that blue zone is most likely a bouncing spot or zone because of the sideways movement here. All right, right there, or I should use green, maybe you can see it better, and these tops. So that's where price indeed bounced around 2022 level. We had a very strong bullish candle, in fact, there that led to a continuation rally, but it didn't. That continuation rally, that bullish bounce, was not able to break above the resistance trend line and went into the Keltner channel and made a retracement there. So yes, we got the rally, but in markets, of course, nothing goes straight and up or down in one shot forever. So it made a good rally from about 21, I guess, to about above 30, but then you had the broken resistance right here, the trend line and the Keltner channel coming in. That was too much for price to handle, and it's making a retracement as we speak. So for the moment, in my view, not looking at the fundamentals, but just looking at the technicals for a moment, I think that we had already engulfing twins here. I think that this is a retracement for more upside. All right, looking at this from a technical point of view. Now there could be a deeper retracement that could maybe even test the support zone again, either not breaking this bottom or maybe going slightly below that low. It's possible, still basically challenging and testing this blue zone deeper. So anything, I would say, basically from 18 up to 22 is still a support zone. That has not changed, but it doesn't have to go that deep. As I said, price could just test this bottom but not break it, and there could be actually a bounce earlier than that. So very important to see, because we got some bearish 4-hour candles right here. Let's take a look at the daily chart. There we go. So very important to see how price will respond as it falls. We got a bullish day yesterday, in fact, so it doesn't even have to go that deep. I mean, if you look at yesterday's candle, that could already be a bouncing spot. So there are two things I'm keeping an eye on, three things: bullish bounce here, bullish bounce here, or the bullish breakout. If price does not retrace deeper to the blue circle, but in fact only retests yesterday's candle but does not break yesterday's low, then price might turn and break to the upside. So a breakout candle that could close above this trend line could indicate the breakout from about 30 to 35, and if price manages to break above 35, maybe after a bull flag, then there's space, of course, to retest this top. And if it breaks that top, then it could start making a stronger uptrend and start building with a new higher high. So, but that's, a bit further down the line, down the road. So for the moment, bullish bounce or bullish breakout seems the most likely. Considering this momentum here, there's a decent chance of that. Once again, though, if it starts moving down, very important to see bullish candlestick patterns in support. Otherwise, we don't know how far this could push lower. Also, keep an eye on smaller candles. If there's any kind of falling wedge like this, that would also indicate exhaustion and basically lack of momentum to the downside, which also is a pattern of a bullish reversal. So all of these kind of signals and patterns would help if price does move lower to indicate whether this bearish retracement is indeed finally over or not. All right, next one on the list is Aurora, and basically made the same strong fall and big bounce. Also here, we're talking about a sideways zone within momentum, sideways momentum. Those zones are often very strong as support. And price did bounce off that support around 7 and is showing some good momentum to the upside. Now a little bit of hesitation as price also is at a resistance zone. I think that this particular instrument is more likely to retest the bottom, all right, then maybe the first one we saw, Canopy, because of the fact that the sharpness of this momentum is such a steep angle, all right. So I think that there could still be a retest. I would personally rather wait for price to, let's put a horizontal line here, to get into probably this zone right here, where we have tops and bottoms. All right, that would seem like a pretty interesting zone for a bounce to the upside. It would be good to see a bullish candlestick there with a big wick failing to break below the Keltner, but dip into that zone. So something like this, for instance, but then end up somewhere here. All right, that's a potential retracement. Now, if it does break to the upside, it would have to break above the Keltner channel at 13 for a breakout. But then do keep in mind that there is, you know, right away the tops here. So the breakout to the upside would be a little bit limited from a space point of view. So retracement does look better. All right, next here too, strong dip to the downside. We were talking about the potential for price to retrace deeper. And I said, keep an eye on bullish candlestick patterns because you never know how far price can fall. We had a bullish candle, in fact, a week ago, follow through rally up to resistance. But now looking at a potential retracement. All right. So that's basically the same scenario, the same kind of pattern we're seeing on all kind of instruments here. The first two as well, bullish bounce and now getting a retracement. Have to see whether this retracement is indeed the pullback for more upside or the retracement will go deeper and then maybe see a bounce. So otherwise, besides that, I think maybe one more chart we can check out. Yeah, this one didn't have much of a bullish bounce. It's still within the channel, so I would be a little bit more cautious with this particular instrument. All right, we'll keep an eye on these stocks, of course, in the future as well. For more free analysis, check out elitecurrency.com and go to analysis at the upper part of the tabs there. Or, of course, download our free ECS.start package on our homepage. Wish you all good trading. Talk to you soon. Cheers.